before I start this video, I would like to say two things. Sorry for not uploading in a while. It's because I haven't really got anything or any ideas to upload. It's been like 3 weeks or 2 weeks. And also, if there's any background noise, I'm so sorry. It's just because I'm outside, because how nice it is. Now, let's go back to the video. Hey guys, something just came in the mail today. It's a new Wheelock speaker strobe. So it's an LED speaker strobe. So this is the original listing for it. I got it for $15. Pretty good price. It's in red. So yeah, new in box. So let's open it up. Oh, and by the way, I haven't opened this up yet. So here's the manual, which I don't need to read yet. Some screws and the device itself. So I'm gonna have to put the camera down, and I'm gonna put it down, remove it from the box, and I'll cut back. It's pretty small. Actually, like, this is my hand, so it's like almost the same size as my hand. And yeah, and oh, and also I have baby hands, so yeah. My hands are pretty small. So yeah, this is the front of the device. Also, this is plastic on it, not the strobe. So let me remove the oh wow, these are just magnet. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so I'll just put that there, and let me open the device and show you this. Okay, so this is the cover covering the speaker. It's pretty small, like I could say. The plastic that's over the strobe, let me remove that. See, it's just an LED. Let me focus. Oh yeah, it's just an LED light. And not actually, and this I have to remove. So yeah, let me cut back. And this is the speaker itself. So I'm also getting one of these in white. It's gonna come either on Thursday or Friday, so we have to wait for that. But like, this is the speaker. The speaker is actually pretty big. And this is a 1.8 to 2 watt speaker. So it's a pretty loudish speaker. So yeah, so when my amplifier comes, I'll make a video of that. And also I'll make a video of it, how it sounds. So this was my unboxing. Well, stay tuned for the one. I'm also getting one of these in white, and yeah, so stay tuned.